Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use expertise in Division 2. This system allows you to enhance your favorite weapons, gear, and skill mods beyond their standard maximums. It's a powerful way to push your agent's capabilities even further, making your builds more effective in challenging content. Understanding expertise is key to mastering the end game, providing a significant edge in combat. We'll cover how to gain proficiency and elevate your overall expertise level. Gaining proficiency is the first step in the expertise system. You can earn proficiency ranks by simply using an item in combat, which grants experience points. Alternatively, you can donate unwanted gear, weapons, or even skill mods at the recalibration station. Each item, brand, or skill has 10 proficiency ranks. Once an item reaches rank 10, you become proficient with it, unlocking its full upgrade potential. As you become proficient with more items, your overall expertise level increases. This expertise level determines the maximum number of upgrades you can apply to any proficient item. For example, if your expertise level is 5, you can upgrade a proficient weapon 5 times. To upgrade, visit the recalibration station and spend various in-game resources. Each upgrade provides a 1% bonus to a core stat, like weapon damage or base armor. The benefits of expertise are substantial, offering permanent stat increases to your weapons, gear, and skills. Each expertise upgrade can add 1% weapon damage, base armor, or skill effectiveness, significantly boosting your build's power. This system encourages you to experiment with different items and truly master your loadouts, giving you a distinct advantage in all content, especially challenging end-game activities. For more details and other great deals, make sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.